Hello everyone, this is Arshada and welcome to my channel Loft Academia. Today we will be discussing IMO International Mathematics Olympiad Class 2 Chapter 6 Patterns. Various topics which will be covered in this particular chapter are as finding the next term or the next figure in the number pattern or figure pattern. Okay, so number pattern will look like this and figure pattern will have figures or pictures. Finding the missing term or figure in the number pattern or figure pattern. Okay, so you will either find the next figure or term or the missing figure or term. Okay, so let's get started. Direction 1 to 15. Complete the number pattern in the following questions. Question number 1. You can see that the jump in this pattern is by 6. Okay, so how you can find that out? The best way to find this out is to see what is the next number. Okay, so you can see one is 18, the second number is 24. So you can do 24 minus 18, which is 6. And what we need to now check is this particular pattern, that is jump by 6, is there in all of this series or not. So 24 plus 6 is 30, 42 plus 6 is 48. So yes, the jump is by 6 across. So which means the missing number over here will be 30 plus 6, which is 36. Question number 2. 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. So as you can see, the jump is by 12. How you can find that out? Do 24 minus 12. Do 36 minus 24. 48 minus 36. 60 minus 48. All the answer is 12 for all of them. So which means the jump is by 12. So 60 plus 12 is 72, which is option B. Question number 3. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Now here let us see what is the jump. 15 plus 15 is 30, which can be found out by 30 minus 15. Okay, so jump is of 15. 45 minus 30, yes, again the jump is of 15. 60 minus 45, yes, again 15. And 75 minus 60, again 15. So which means 75 plus 15 should be the next in the series, which is 90. Option C. Okay, next question. Question number 4. 15, 25, 40, 60 and 85. So let us do the subtraction for them. 25 minus 15. The jump is of 10. Okay. 40 minus 25. The jump is of 15. The difference is 15. Okay. Now 60 minus 40. The difference is 20. Now over here 85 minus 60, it is 25. So what does that mean? The jump is increasing by 5, right? So which means the next number will be 85 plus 30. This number 5 will be added to the last jump. So 85 plus 30. Okay, so that you can do vertically as well, and the answer will be 115, which is option A. Question number 5. Let us look at the jump. So what is 102 minus 51? You can do a vertical subtraction, and what you can get is it is 51. Okay, now another subtraction which is needed over here is 153 minus 102. This is also 51. Okay, likewise if you check, you will get the difference of 51 in all of them, which means the last number will be 255 plus 51. Okay, so when you add 51 to 255, you get answer as option D, 306. Next question, question number 6. What is the jump over here? So 7 to 12, the jump is of 5. Okay, and 12 to 17, another 5. 17 to 22, another 5. So which means the jump is of 5. So 22 plus 5, which is 27, should be answer to this question, which is option B. Question number 7, 120 to 125. If you get the difference, it is 5. Okay, 125, 135. The difference is 10. 135 and 140. Now the difference is 5. So you're getting 5, 10, 5. Then probably this should be 10, and it is. 150 minus 140, 10. Now this difference is 5. 150, 155. So the next jump will be 155 plus 10, which is 165. Option C. Question number 8. 600, 620, 640, 660, 680. So when you find out the difference, here the difference is 20. Here the difference is also 20. Here also 20. And here also 20. So which means the next number in line will be 680, 680 plus 20, which will be option C, 700. Okay. Question number 9. 642 to 647. Okay, when you do the subtraction, you will get the jump of 5 or the difference of 5. Now here, what is the difference between them? It is 10, and between them it is 5. So which obviously means the next one should be 10, because the pattern is 5 10 5 10. Okay, so which means 662 plus 10, which is 672. Option C. Question number 10. 230, 225, 215, 210 and 200. Let us look at the difference. So when you do the subtraction, 230 minus 225, now this will be the reverse, because you can see the numbers are in descending order. Over here in all the questions, they were in ascending order. So do check what the order is going to be. 230 minus 225, which is going to be 5. 225 minus 215, which is 10. 215 minus 5 is 210, and 210 minus 10 is 200. So which means the next number in line will be 200 minus 5, because the jump is of minus 5 minus 10. So here the jump is of 5, but it will be subtracted. Okay, so now the next one over here will be 200 minus 5, which is 195, which is option A. Question number 11. Dash 300, 285, 270, 255. Now let us look at the difference between them. It is 300 minus 285. It will be 15. When you do the subtraction, you will get answer as 15. 285 minus 270. Again, the difference is 15. And over here also the difference is 15. Okay, so which means here also in these two numbers the difference should be 15. So as you can see, this is in descending order. This number is going to be the greatest number. So that is why what you should be doing is 300 plus 15 is what should be this one. So which is 315, and which is option C. Question number 12. 128 dash 328, 428, 528 and 628. Let us find the difference between them. 428 minus 328. When you do a vertical subtraction, you will get this as 100. 528 minus 428, again 100. And over here is also 100. So which obviously means the difference between these two should also be 100. Okay, so when you add 128 plus 100, you will get answer as 228, which is option B. Question number 13. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. As you can see, this is actually a table of 9, right? So the jump in all of them is 9, right? So here the jump is all, the difference is 9. So which means 45 plus 9 should be the answer, and which is 54. Option D. Question number 14. 100, 110, 120. So this is jump. There is a jump of 10 everywhere, right? So here also 10, here also 10. So this also should be 10. So this should be 130. So let us look at this option, and this option could be the answer. Okay, so 140, 150. This is also jump by 10. This also should be jump by 10. So it should be 160, which is option A, right? And here also there is a jump of 10. Alright, so the answer is option A. Question number 15. 50, 40, 31, 27, the missing number 10 and 5. So as you can see, this is in descending order. Okay, so the difference between them, this is reducing by 10, which is 50 minus 10 equal to 40. This is reducing by 9. The difference between them, 40 minus 31 is 9. Here the difference is 8. So which means the difference is reducing by one number. So this should be 23 minus, instead of 8 it should be minus 7. So 23 minus 7 is 16, which is option D. Alright. Next section, direction 16 to 30. Find the missing figure to complete the given figure pattern. Okay, so let us look at the butterflies, and we have to find what is there in the question mark. But we have to first figure out the pattern. So the hint is to check what is the first given picture and see when it is repeating. So this is like orange and yellowish kind of a butterfly. Then you have a pink, then the whole orange, and then whole yellow. So again now this is repeating orange and yellow, which means the pattern is this, and then the pattern starts from here. So the second one in this pattern is pink, which is option B. The next one, this is the block which has been given. Now the pattern is repeating from here, right? You can see this first block coming again over here, and this is repeating. So which means this question mark should be this one, okay, which is option A. So this pattern is like this, right? So it is repeating after 4 pictures. Question number 18. There are a couple of stars, and we have to now check the pattern. There is a green star. Where is green star? Over here. So which means there is a possibility that this is one pattern and this is the second one. But let us verify. Is the second one over here? Okay, this is red and this is also red. This is blue and this is also blue. Alright, so which means this is a pattern. So the next one in line should be the orange one. And from here, this is blue, red, pink, and this is orange, which is answer to this question. Question number 19. There are a couple of circles. The couple of circles which are given over here in question number 19. Okay, and then a quarter of circle is shaded. Over here left hand side top quarter is shaded. पहले ये शेड किया है और ये ऑरेंज में शेड हुआ है, फिर ये पर्पल में, फिर यहाँ पे ऑरेंज में शेड हुआ है लेकिन इसके ऑपोजिट साइड है, फिर वापस से यहाँ पे ग्रीन शेड हुआ है, and then you get the first again. So which means this is a pattern, and let us verify. Yes, this looks like the pattern and this is what the pattern is, which is repeating. यहाँ पे and यहाँ पे. So which means the second in line over here should be this purple one, which is option A. Okay, now let us look at smileys. Smiley, then inverted smiley, again a smiley, again inverted smiley. So which means the pattern is of two smileys, right? So over here it should be the first smiley, this smiley, which is option A. These two smileys are anyways not even the option. Okay, so our answer is option A. Let us look at question number 21. There are a couple of arrows given. Upward arrow, downward arrow, but how many? 2, 2. Then arrows upward arrow, but how many? 3. And again 3 arrows downward. So which means the pattern is 2 arrows upward downward, 3 arrows upward downward. Now which will be 4 arrows upward and downward. So downward arrows are not given. Where do you find them? Over here, which is option C. So this will be the answer to this question. Question number 22. You will not see a pattern repeating after some pictures or anything, but there is a pattern, but not a repetitive kind of a pattern though. So here you will see a red square and amber square. Right now this red square which is on the top becomes the left hand side triangle, and the bottom square, that particular color, that amber color, becomes the right hand side triangle. Similarly, you have a blue shade square, and here you will have a blue shade, the same shade triangle. Here it is a green shade which is a square, and then you have a triangle over here which is green, which means this pattern, it is going to have on the left hand side brown shade triangle, and on right hand side this gray black shade triangle, right, which is, if you can see, it is option A. All right, question number 23. There are different kind of balls. This is a football, this is rugby, tennis, cricket ball, another ball. Okay, so you see a pattern of balls. Now, this particular ball is repeating here, right? So, this becomes one pattern, and this becomes the part of the second pattern. So, what is there after rugby? It is tennis ball. So, that is why answer should be B, tennis ball. Question number 24. You see a square and you see a circle inside it, then a triangle, and then a circle. Now let us look at the pattern when it is repeating. So this particular square and circle is coming here again. And as you can see, this is clearly the pattern is repeating over here. Okay, which means after this triangle there should be a circle of this purple color and with yellow core. Okay, so which means core is the middle part, so yellow middle circle is over here. So this should be after this, which is option A. Question number 25. You see cherry, strawberry, apple, mango. After this it is repeating at cherry, right? So which means this is one pattern, this becomes second pattern. So which means the third pattern will start from here. And in this pattern, what is the first fruit? It is cherry, which is option A. Question number 26. There is an elephant, tortoise, a grasshopper, then a rabbit, a butterfly, honeybee. Okay, and again elephant is coming here. So which means this pattern is still here, and from here the pattern starts. So which means the third one in this particular pattern should be answer, which is grasshopper. After tortoise it is grasshopper. So which is option D. Umbrella, a glass, bucket. Now after this you will see again an umbrella. Okay, so which means this is one pattern, two pattern. Again here the third pattern should start, which is option A. Question number 28. You see there is a starfish, octopus, whale, dolphin, and again starfish, which means for this aquatic animals. Okay, so aquatic animals is those animals which are found in water. Um, After starfish, this is repeating over here. Okay, so this is part of the second pattern. So after octopus, what do you see? It is a whale, which is option A, right? Now let us look at the next pattern. Um, you have a triangle, you have diamond shape, and again a triangle. So what it looks like is this pattern is going to repeat from here, but that's not the case because from here the second pattern is not starting. So if you look at, you have triangle, two diamonds, and a triangle. This is one pattern. Again triangle, two diamonds, and one triangle. This is pattern 2. So which means the two question mark should be the start of pattern, which is a triangle and a diamond. Okay, so let us see which option gives you that. It is this. The first one is triangle and the second one is diamond. Then you will get a diamond and again a triangle. The trick to be used in this kind of questions is, you can see there are two repeating over here, two diamonds again over here, but here you don't have two diamonds, so which obviously means one diamond is going to be from here. Similarly, two are here, but again over here there are no two triangles. Okay, so that is another way of solving these kind of questions. So here the answer is option D. Question number 30. You have different smileys in here. Now this face is coming again over here. This phase is again coming over here. So this is one pattern, this is another pattern, and this becomes the third pattern. So which means in the pattern the second smiley is the answer, right? You have one smiley, second smiley is missing, which is option D. So with this we completed our chapter. Let us go to the table of content and put a tick mark on chapter 6 that this has been completed as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with your subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.